Hello viewers, welcome again. Today I will show you how can you make pop the jewelry of the bride. She is also welcoming you like me. By the way, you can download this image from unsplash.com. For this, make a copy of the background layer so that your original image remain as it is. Now go to image panel and select adjustment layer and open vibrance and saturation. Adjust them till it gives the desired effect to your image. Now I am optimizing brightness and contrast according to the picture. This looks fine. Firstly, we are increasing the quality of the image so that jewelry looks more pop out when we do that. Now I want to adjust some hue and saturation for this. I think this looks fine. If we add some shine to the jewelries. Let's enhance some blacks, whites and contrast to the image by opening curves. I think this much is fine. And it would be okay if we don't alter its black. Contrast is now fine. Then press OK. Focus on jewelry only. It is looking more shiny, more glossy and more saturated. Now it is looking fine. Now what we do, we take a copy of the background layer so that our adjusted image won't alter. Now we make our previous image black and white to apply mask. Create a mask on the colorful layer and press Ctrl I to invert the effects. Now take your brush and hover over the jewelry section. This step will bore you, so I am increasing the speed of the video. For delicate parts, decrease the size of the brush. Do your work more patiently and more carefully in these parts. Don't worry even if the color falls from the jewelry portion, as we can correct it later. I think this part is looking nice. type of work test your patience also. Am I right? I think my job is completed now. You can see jewelry is more popping out from the image. See the difference. This is the original image, this is our enhanced image, and this is our targeted image. Tell me how it's looking. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot, guys. Lots of love.